Found this Revington London curio cabinet at my local thrift store and couldn't pass it up. I have to admit that I did not thoroughly evaluate the condition of this piece before purchasing. I saw a few people eyeballing it and had to make a move quickly. What I thought was going to be a quick flip turned into a pain in my ass real quick. But we got through it. During inspection, I noticed that the bonding agent used to secure the glass was flaking and falling out, so I began by completely disassembling the cabinet to make it easier to work on. I carefully removed the first panel of glass successfully. Clearly, I was due for some humbling because I shattered the second. Headed to Home Depot, clearly forgot what I was there for because I ended up in the clearance plant section somehow. Scored a few plants, and then I was off to teach myself how to cut glass. Thank God for tutorial videos. I then used my sander to prepare the wood for a new stain and paint, using these awesome cushioned sanding attachments that allow me to sand along curved edges without damaging or reshaping. You can find these attachments in my Amazon storefront. Using my favorite combination of Minwax stain and Dixie Belle mineral paint, I was able to completely transform this dated cabinet into a modern work of art. Although this flip had some hiccups along the way, it all came together in the end. The piece sold before I even had a chance to list it. How do you think I did? If you enjoyed this flip, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and follow my page to see more flips just like this one. Whether you are a seasoned flipper, thinking about flipping, or just blessed with a do-it-yourself gene, check out my blog for free resources including product recommendations, tips and tricks, tutorials, and so much more by visiting reconciliationfurniture.com/reconciliationcollection.